Continuing our conversation on bursting the bubble of learning objectives, and this is part 6. So we're talking about the idea that we modify our learning objectives to have more tasks objective, which is a standard objective, and then application objectives. So using experience and looking for contingencies on what to do next. This is really interesting because once you open up learning objectives to allow them to think beyond the laboratory setting, the bubble setting of learning objectives and training, we are actually training the learners to do a very powerful, important thing. That is knowing where to find answers. They find answers from experiences, from databases, etc., and like references, or they know where to find contingencies as a thinking process. So it is crucial that in many of our training programs today, more than half of the learning is dependent on the learner on finding an answer. I think it was Josh Bersin who made the study, realizing that out of a day's time, a learner would spend almost like 30, 40, 50 incidents that they would look for an answer somewhere. So we are training the learners to have the attitude that I need to know where to find answers because the trainer will not be there, and because after the training program, I must solve problems. So help the learners develop the habit of looking and finding answers by including that in the applications objectives of your lesson.